Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thanks for agreeing to meet with me today.
No problem.
So I'm a faculty member here at the hospital, and I was really interested in getting involved with clinical trials, so I was kind of interested in knowing what all was going on here at the hospital right now and what I can get in on.
Okay, perfect. So we are actually running some clinical trials, and we're actually running it with the problem obesity. So we're going to have some obese patients from like the ages of like 20 to 40, and we're going to be running some new drugs on them that will obviously help their problem. And also we're actually also going to be giving placebos.
Okay.
So half the patients are going to be getting the drug and half the patients are getting placebos. But regardless, they are some things that you need to be aware of during this clinical trial. And first of all, consent. Consent is the biggest thing. We're not going to give any drugs to any patients that don't agree to it, and they need to know exactly what's going on. So they do need to know that they might get a placebo, they might get a real drug, and anything else in the experiment, they will definitely know, and they have to agree to it.
Okay, so how should I go about getting consent?
Consent, it's about letting them know what's going on, and also they sign a consent form.
Okay.
Okay. So the next thing is confidentiality. Confidentiality, the patients need to know to make sure to keep this confidential, and you also need to keep this confidential.
Okay.
So make sure to tell your patients about all the policies and procedures. And any papers about this experiment need to always be in a safe file. All the laptops are encrypted, and make sure to put them away. And no conversations are supposed to be had about this experiment outside or anywhere else, okay? And the last thing is they need to do mandatory side effects, okay? So anything that happens to them, any weight gain, emotional stress, everything has to be reported, okay? And that's it. And if you agree to this, will you please sign it?
All right. So just to make sure, we talked about consent, confidentiality,
Yep.
and mandatory side effects.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.